Can you believe it? With just an ordinary potato, you can create a magic potion that helps hair grow quickly, thick, strong, smooth, and prevents hair loss extremely effectively. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's absolutely true. Hello, welcome to Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed that your hair is getting thinner, weaker, falling out more, or small bald patches appearing, making you lose confidence? I know the feeling. Anxious, confused, and not knowing where to start. But don't rush to look for expensive products. With just a few familiar ingredients in the kitchen, I will share with you an extremely simple natural hair care recipe that is surprisingly effective. For this super efficient money-saving tip, you'll first need a potato, probably this size. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. We will peel the potatoes. And of course, if you like content like this, organic recipes, natural tips that work, be sure to hit that subscribe button below so you never miss out. Now let's get peeling potatoes. I'll shave this side too. It's done. Once you have peeled the potatoes, take a grater and a small glass bowl like this one and start grating the potatoes. Once you have peeled the potatoes, take a grater and a small glass bowl like this one and start grating the potatoes. Once you're done grating, just pour all the grated potatoes into the jar like this. See? Here's another little tip you just learned on the channel. This amount is enough. Now you will prepare a thin cloth like this. I will use this one and then pour the potato mixture on top. Now we will squeeze the potato juice. Just squeeze it well to get all the juice out. This is liquid gold. We're going to take all of this juice and let me know what country you're watching from so I can give you a special shout out. Okay, we have the juice. Now you will take your favorite shampoo, add a little bit to the potato water. Next, you'll add in some ginger powder. Yes, ginger powder. You can find this at organic food stores. Using a small spoon, add this amount. Then stir well. The mixture should start to thicken like this. You can use any shampoo you like. Here, look, it's amazing. You ask, what did you just do? This is the formula to help strengthen hair and prevent hair loss very effectively. If your hair is falling out, weak, or damaged due to excessive use of chemicals, apply this mixture to your hair. It will help your hair become strong, smooth, less tangled, and less prone to breakage. How to use. Before shampooing, wet your hair, then apply the mixture and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, rinse with water, then wash again with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. You just need to do it once a week, and in a short time, you will see your hair shiny, strong, not tangled, and no more falling out. Method 2. With this recipe, I no longer have hair problems. You only need a medium-sized potato, not too big. Now peel the potato. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After peeling, do not throw away the skin, set it aside. Next, take a knife and cut the potatoes into small pieces. Next, take a knife and cut the potatoes into small pieces. Let me know which country you are watching this video from so I can give you a special hug. Today, I would like to say a special hello to all the viewers in the United States, France, and Germany. Thank you very much for watching. Continue chopping the potatoes. These pieces are perfect. Now, we will put all the cut potatoes into the blender. Next, you will need a small pot like this. Put all the potato skins in it. Add about 200 milliliters of water. Then bring to a boil. Meanwhile, puree the potatoes in a blender. Then, prepare another bowl, line with a thin cloth. Pour in the mashed potatoes. Then squeeze well to get all the potato juice. Squeeze hard to extract all the juice. There you have it, pure potato juice. Now add 1 teaspoon olive oil. Next, take an egg, separate the yolk and white, and use only the yolk. Now mix all the ingredients together. Done. And you ask me how to use this powerful formula, right? You will use it twice a week on your hair. This recipe will make your hair grow like crazy, be soft, shiny, and completely detangle. All the ingredients here are organic and natural and will only do wonders for your hair. I am sure that with this recipe, you will have beautiful, shiny, and wonderfully soft hair. And to increase the effectiveness of the recipe, remember the potato water you boiled earlier? After boiling, let cool. Then pour into a spray bottle. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. You can spray this water on your hair every day to increase the hair care effect, help hair grow faster, softer, and reduce tangles. Which recipe do you prefer, or would you combine both? I hope you will try it and feel it! I believe this amazing organic natural formula will give you real results. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this recipe, please subscribe and like the video. This product is really great for your hair. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and well. See you in the next video. Bye!